Hello friends, welcome. Today let us introduce you our two new hand blenders. If you will see, this one is stainless steel body with beater and dough hook. Here make all kind of delicious food easily. This model is with stand as well and goes up to 300 watts. We will do the unboxing and we'll show you. Come here. This side, come this side. Now let us show you this another model as well. Handmixer. This is with beater with dough. This is 250 watts. Here if you will see this one, you can beat your dough, you can whip your cream with beater dough hook, and the both comes with anti-shake here. Both comes with anti-shake protection. Let's do the unboxing and see. Okay, come here friends, let me introduce you. If you will see this side, this one is the white color with the nice decoration and with the beater and dough. If you will see, nice thick and big. This one goes up to 5 speed here, and the button turbo with the eject. Now come here this side. If you will see, this one stainless steel finishing, stainless steel decoration with the stand, and if you will see, comes with the nice beater and dough hook. This also have LED light. Let's play and see. Here if you will see the LED light, and this goes up to 5 speed and turbo. Let's play and see. Once you are done, here have the eject button. You can simply eject it. Keep it neatly and nicely inside your kitchen, and with the storage you can store in this way. And this one, come have a look friends. Thank you so much.